Alright, so boom. I had full intentions of posting a USFL championship commentary tonight, but YouTube, the USFL themselves, Fox and Peacock tried to be funny. They cleared it of copyright, at least blocking it for a few hours, and then 30 minutes before the video went live and premiered, I didn't even get an email that it was blocked. I had to check manually just in case, just to be sure, and lo and behold, I did see if it was blocked. So if that joint messed around and premiered at 8:05, like I had initially had it slotted to do, I'd have messed around and got a strike. So I see the genjutsu y'all trying to catch me in.
It was very sneaky. Kind of like a Pearl Harbor. I was real sneaky too, huh?
You ain't gonna catch it. So I have all of the USFL, the entire season. Well, I should say from weeks 4 through the championship, but I really have the entire season on Patreon as well. But only weeks 1 through 3 were uploaded on YouTube before they started really cracking down on all USFL content across the entire platform, that being YouTube. So if you guys want to see the USFL championship and the remainder of the season from week 4 up until the championship, that's, if I'm not mistaken, 9 weeks of football, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 semifinals, and then the championship. Why are we doing math? That's neither here nor there. Check the links in the description and also in the top pinned comment. Go and watch it on Patreon. It is absolutely free up on Patreon. So if you guys want to see what transpired throughout the remainder of the season for the USFL, and moreover, their very, very good championship game this past weekend, go ahead and click the links and go check it out on Patreon.
Pearl Harbor kind of sneaky. I think we can all be a little sneaky sometimes.
Both teams been damn near identical to get to this point.
Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
I wonder what's in that.
Boogers and cum. You think you're special like you're a number one? Well, there's a whole lot of special in boogers and cum.
This could have easily been a pick 6. I know that man is sick.
What the fuck, y'all? God damn!
Fat son of a bitch. He's fat.
Hey! Get out of here!
Had the cornerback chopping like he was in a step dancing team. I guess across all different leagues of football, Philadelphia has absolutely no hands whatsoever. Looking like Lil Reese in 2012, he caught that bitch in traffic. Just look at Birmingham, exhausted. 5 catches, 66 yards, 2 touchdowns. Have yourself a day, young man. Yay. Philly gotta have some sort of hard-on for dropped interceptions. This is like the 4th one today. Captain Hook in the foot. What the hell was that? Hey, that's a Pidgeotto! Somebody catch him!
Pidgeotto, an evolved form of the Pidgey. It is armed with sharp claws and dives from the sky to capture its prey. Unlike the more gentle Pidgey, Pidgeotto can be dangerous. Approach with extreme caution.
2nd and 16, Cookus is gonna run!
Snake, are you okay? Snake?
Now you see now, you done fucked up, you know that, don't you? So, you know what I'm saying? That you done fucked up now, you know that, don't you?
They didn't believe in Magoo. God did. When the hell did they get cheerleaders in the league? I didn't know this.
You was popping all that good shit a second ago. You eat a dick, nigga.
Let it fly. But look at you, not doing your job. They should cut you on the field right now.
Dude, what the fuck? This is your space. This is your area. You can't do that, dude.
It's up on Patreon for free. Click the link in the description and the top pinned comment. Go and check them out so you catch up to what actually led to this USFL championship.